On number 2, the order is coming in for 1.6 grams of cimetidine. So I need to set up my proportion. And on the left, the strength is going to be 800 milligrams. And this is going to be per 1 tab. So because this is tablets, it's over 1 tab. We don't put it over the 30 tablets because the 30 tablets is how much is in the bottle. So when it's a tablet question, you always put it over 1 tab. And then we can solve this. Although we actually can't solve it yet because I need to convert. So 1.6 grams is going to be 1600 milligrams. So 1 times 1600 divided by 800, and we get 2. So 2 tabs we would have to give.